Hi, my name is Patty Burnett. I'm the Washington County Quorum Court Coordinator, and I also manage the Archives Office. The Archives Office has a lot of Washington County history, and I want to welcome you to the Washington County Archives virtual tour. Hope you enjoy. The Washington County Archives Office is housed in the historic courthouse. The historic Washington County Courthouse is the 5th county courthouse, which was built in 1904. The prior four being on or near the site of the old post office, which is up on the Fayetteville Square. The Archives Office is located on the second floor. When you enter on the second floor, you will see this mural. In 1920, the Daughters of the American Revolution commissioned New York artist William Steen to paint a mural honoring those Washington County men who died during the recent World War. The center figure in the mural is the Angel of Victory, who represents womanhood of America in Washington County. She holds 2 tablets inscribed with the names of those Washington County men who gave their lives during the War of Human Rights. You will also find on the second floor, just outside of the Archives Office, different exhibits along the walls. You will also find in the corner where a time capsule was placed in 1904. On a Saturday, October 1st of 1904, under the direction of John T. Hicks, Grand Master of the Masonic Lodge, nearly 2,000 people witnessed the laying of the Cornerstone. Attending the ceremony were numerous local, state, and national dignitaries. Congressman Hugh Dinsmore presented a history of the previous courthouses. A copper time capsule was placed behind the Cornerstone. It housed copies of county documents pertaining to the building of the courthouse, copies of all newspapers published in Washington County, copy of the World's Fair edition of Harper's Weekly, coins from 1904, rosters of local, state, and national officials, and a roster of members of the Masonic Lodge. To commemorate the 100th anniversary of the completion of the historic Washington County Courthouse in 1905, the Cornerstone time capsule was opened on May 7, 2005 by Circuit Judge Mary Ann Gunn and U.S. Representative John Bozeman. The Archives Office is made up of 6 rooms. 3 are fireproof vaults. This is our first room. In this room, you will find a beautiful constructed fireplace, an old posting desk, artifacts discovered while restoring the historic courthouse, and some of our oldest books are kept in this room. In 1862, during the Civil War, the previous courthouse was burned down, but fortunately, county officials had removed the county's record to Fincher's Cave near Black Oak prior to hostilities. As a result, Washington County is only one of a handful of Arkansas counties that did not lose its early 19th century records during the Civil War. This is our second room of the Archives Office. We have old books throughout the office. The pages are real fragile and thin. We have all of our books on microfilm. When you find the book and page, we'll get you set up on the microfilm machine. You can scan it on the computer and email it to yourself, or you can print it out. You will also find in this room a display case. These are items that the clerk had used over the years. You will find our second fireplace, pictures of the circuit clerks, pictures of the county collectors, and a picture of our first Washington County Quorum Court. As you enter into the county clerk's vault, you will find our marriage record books, old probate case files, probate court records, will records, county court book records, personal assessment tax books. You will also find pictures of our county judges and pictures of our county clerks. As you enter into the big vault area, this is where you will find all of our mortgage records and our deed records. In our next vault, it's the Circuit Clerk Court records. In this vault, you will have the military discharge records, Chancery Court records, criminal records, the criminal indexes, Circuit Court records, indictment records, and lien records. This is our last room in the archives office. You will see different items from the Board of Education, some more tax books. You will see this old roll-top desk and our third fireplace. You will also find 2 jury wheels, pictures on the wall of the county treasurer, and old circuit court files. If you're interested in doing family research, we do have indexes that you can search through. If you want to learn more about the history of the historic courthouse or about the Archives Office, please visit the Archives webpage on the county website at www.co.washington.ar.us. We hope you have enjoyed the Washington County Archives virtual tour. We hope to see you soon.